Hi, I'm Abby Brooker. I'm the induction supervisor here at Whyler Beef in Texas, Queensland. We run about 50,000 head of cattle on feed and around 2,500 head travel through the shed every week. Posing the YoungStar matting is easy. Posing concrete was easy as well, but cleaning the YoungStar is just as easy as cleaning the concrete. We've had YoungStar matting in the shed for a couple of years now, and it still looks quite new.
G'day, I'm Brenton Watterson from AACO's Aranui feedlot. I'm the operations manager here. We run about 22,000 head year round, predominantly Wagyus. Roughly we put through 2,000 to 2,500 through the shed. It's a lot easier to clean than normal stamped concrete as well, just a smoother surface and quick drying. Better than concrete when you're standing on it all day.
Hello, my name's Angus Lee. I'm the feedlot manager here at Australian Country Choices Open Creek Feedlot. We currently run 30,000 SCU, ranging from short fed through to long fed Wagyus. Did all the installation in-house. Also, the added benefit for us was the cleaning aspect. It's quite easy to clean. We clean them daily. As a business, we've been very happy with the YoungStar Numat matting.
I'm Ryan. I'm the cattle processing manager here at Ranges Valley Feedlot in Glenninnis, Northern New South Wales. This is our main processing shed. We run up to 2,000 head through here every single week. The design of the YoungStar rubber matting has really improved a lot of aspects here in our processing shed. So not only on the slip strips and falls front, but also the cleanliness of the mat. Hosing is a lot easier. It's a lot more comfortable for the cattle to walk and run on, and for our staff.
My name's Dick Drysdale. I've worked for Paraway Pastoral Company at Burma Station. I've been here nearly 6 years. We could put anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 head through the yard in probably 2 weeks.
Hi, I'm Brad Schwartz. I currently sit on the Dorrigo Sale Yards Committee, which manages the sale yards on behalf of Bellingen Shire Council. I've been on the committee for the last 7 years. We have tried previous matting in previous years. Whilst it did lessen the impact, it was hard to clean and it was sort of only a stopgap measure. Cleaning on the new matting seems to be better because the surface is entire. A great reduction in foot issues and having slipping based injuries.